Welcome student. Today we study the linseed. It is known as oilseed crop and which is studied in our paper second. The local name of linseed is the Javas. The family is the Linaceae. Then the botanical name is the Linum acetatissimum is the botanical name and origin is the Afghanistan. Then we study the economic uses. The economic uses. India is the one of the major important producer and exporter of linseed seeds and linseed oil. Linseed is the important oil seed as well as it is also grown as a fiber crop. In India, it is mainly grown as a oilseed crop and oil is used for culinary purpose. The oil percentage or oil contents in linseed seed is about 35 to 42% and the oil is drying character, so it is mainly used for manufacturing of paints, varnishes, oil, clothes, and when during the extraction of oil cake is produced as a byproduct and this oil cake is also used for manure and sometimes it is also used for feed of cattle. The seeds are used for making of chutneys in our daily dietitian. Then in western countries it is mainly grown for fiber purpose and making linen, cotton, linen goods or linen clothes. Then we study the varieties. The varieties are that is the Malsirus 10, Solapur 36, Yan 3, Yan 55, C 429, then the RLC 4, and it is known as a RLC 4, it is known as a Jagdamba variety of linseed. Then we study the ecological requirements or ecological conditions. Initially, we study the climatic requirements. Climatic requirements, linseed is temperate climatic crop, so it is required cool and dry climate for its proper vegetative and productive growth. Then the temperature range is required between 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius for its proper growth, and it is mainly known as a drought resistant crop. So majorly it is grown as a rainfed in areas where rainfall receives near about 650 millimeter to 1000 millimeter per year. Linseed crop or plants cannot be tolerate heavy rains during the growth period. Then we study the soil requirements. Soil requirements well drained and rich in organic matter. Soils are best suitable. Linseed crop can be grown on different types of soil except sandy and heavy soils, heavy clay soils. It successfully grown in better water holding capacity soil like alluvial soils and deep black cotton soils are best suitable, which are better in drainage condition. It is the exhaustive crop and soil become linseed seed. This crop is grown on same field year after year. So this point should be carefully listen or study. It is the exhaustive crop and soil become linseed seek or soil. In this soil, linseed is grown same field year after year. Then we study the land preparation or preparatory tillage. The land is prepared by frequently given harrowing in Kharif season when it is grown as a first crop in winter season, so that the weed growth is also uprooted time to time. Then if it is grown as a second crop in winter season, that time one land is prepared by given 2 to 3 crosswise harrowings immediately after the harvesting of Kharif season crop, and then at the time of last harrowing 3 to 5 tons FOM mixed with soil properly. Then land is clean up and collect weed plants and stubbles are collected and it is destroyed outside of the field. When it is grown as a mixed crop, that time all interculture operations or preparatory tillage operations which are given to the main crop, it receives ultimately to the linseed crop. So next point we study the sowing time. The sowing time is in Maharashtra, it is grown in the month of October during the Rabi season or winter season. If there is a heavy rainfall occurs at the time of sowing, that time germination is adversely affected. So sowing is done after usual heavy rainfalls are over. Then the sowing methods. The sowing methods of linseed is, that is the broadcasting and drilling. The linseed seeds are broadcasted in standing crop of paddy as a mixed crop, and sometimes it is when grown as a pure or sole crop, that time it is sown with the help of seed drill machine. Generally, two-bowl seed drill machine is used for sowing that help at one time seeds and fertilizers are sown, so quick and early germination gets in this crop. Then the seed rate. Seed rate, if there is a small seed varieties are used, that time 10 kilogram to 15 kilogram seeds are required per hectare, and when big size seeds varieties are used, that time seed rate is required 20 kilogram to 25 kilogram seeds per hectare. Then the spacing is taken near about 22 by 10 centimeter row to row and plant to plant. Then the seed rate is required. Then the seed treatment. Generally, organomercurial fungicide compound treatment is given to control the seed-borne diseases like wilt. Before the sowing of seeds, it is treated with Bavistin 1.5 gram per kg seeds to control the wilt disease of linseed. That is and this treatment help to control or prevention of the seed-borne disease like wilt. Then the manuring. Generally, when a linseed crop is not manured, but application of 40 kilogram nitrogen per hectare is increase the yield of seeds. Out of these, 20 kg nitrogen is given at the time of sowing and remaining 20 kg nitrogen application is given after 35 days to 40 days after sowing time. Then we study the irrigation management. Generally, linseed crop is taken as a rainfeed on available soil moistures, so it has no required extra irrigation water. If sufficient moistures are not available into the soil at the time of sowing, then pre-soaking irrigation is given just before 3 to 4 days of sowing time, and when soil comes on Vapsa condition, that time seeds are sown at moist zone. If irrigation facilities are available and there is a long dry spell between two rains, two irrigations are given, may be given for proper growth of plant, and it help increase the yield of seeds. First at given flowering stage and second is given at the seed development stage. These two irrigations are required increase the yield of seeds in linseed crop. Then the heavy rainfall, when heavy rainfalls are occur in that area, that time excess rainwater immediately drain out from the field. It help to proper and better establishment of plants. Generally, interculture operations. Interculture operations, there is no need of interculture operations for rainfeed crop, but weeding is important. Weeding interculture operation is important and it is given to control the weed growth, and it help reduce the attack of pest and disease. So first hand weeding is given after 15 to 21 days after sowing time, and if there is a high intensity of weed, second hand weeding is also given at the interval of 21 days of first hand weeding. Then we study the harvesting. The linseed crop is ready to harvest within 100 days of after sowing time. The maturity signs are plants are turn into golden yellow color and capsules are turned into brownish color, and it start to begin dry and capsules are open. That is the right stage of harvesting. Then the crop is harvested by the pull out the plant by hand or cut the plant at ground level. Then the plants are tied into small bundles and stacked or stored at threshing yard, and it is spread on hard surface of ground or floor for sun drying 2 to 5 days. When most of the capsules are open, that time threshing is done. Beaten the plants with the help of heavy stick or trample the plants under the feet of bullocks. Then the winnowing is given to clean or separation of grains from the chaff. And when linseed crop is grown as a fiber purpose, that time it is harvested at capsule maturity stage when crop is still green in color. That time plants are harvested or cut from the field for fiber purpose harvesting. Then we study the yield of linseed. The rainfed crop gives 300 to 500 kilogram seeds per hectare, and irrigated crop gives 800 to 1000 kilogram seeds per hectare. When it is grown as a fiber purpose, that time 400 to 600 cordage per hectare obtained from the linseed crop. Then we study the plant protection. In plant protection, pests and diseases are important. Initially, we study the pest, that is the linseed gall fly pest. It also asks for our 1 mark fill in the blanks or 2 mark short note. So we study the carefully linseed gall fly pest. It is the more nature of damage initially studied. It is the more destructive pest of linseed. The flies of this pest lay the eggs in the calyx of flower bud, and after that the eggs are incubated and maggots are comes out from the eggs and it feed on flower, and it results capsules are not formed. So yield is majorly reduced or damage the plants, or plants are developed without capsules. So it is the more destructive pest and important pest or serious pest of linseed crop. Then we study the control measure. Grow the early matured varieties and follow the mixed cropping systems into the crop. The second one is the physical method, that is the kill of the fly by keeping the light traps or insecticide solution or molasses solution is arranged under the light trap, and these flies are attracted towards the light and it fell into the insecticide solution and it is died. So that this operation or this practice is given before the flowering stage of linseed crop. And number third one is the control measure. Given a spray of 0.05% endosulfan or given a spray of 0.03% dimethoate 30 EC insecticide at the interval of 10 to 15 days. Insecticide should be alternate at every or each time of spray. Then the linseed caterpillar. The linseed caterpillar nature of damage are this caterpillar feed on leaves of linseed, and so that initially it feed on tender leaves and laterally the defoliation is take place and the plants are not grow or vegetative growth is not done successfully, so that plants are looks like as a stunted, growth of plant is retarded, so that the capsules it also feed on flower bud, so that the capsules are not or more developed properly. Next one is the control measure for linseed caterpillar. The hand picking and killing of this caterpillar is done. Given a spray of 0.05% malathion or endosulfan at the interval of 10 to 15 days to control the linseed caterpillar. Then we study the diseases of linseed. The diseases are: number 1, rust disease of linseed. The symptoms are the it is the fungus disease. Bright yellow pustules are appeared on the leaves, and laterally it is turned into black to brown pustules are appeared on the stem. Due to this disease infection, plants are not grow successfully and growth of plant is retarded, and it also affect on the yield of linseed seeds. So control measure: early sowing of linseed is done with mixed cropping. Given a seed treatment of Bavistine 1.5 kilogram 1.5 gram per kg seeds. Then the grow disease resistant varieties. Then the given a spray of DM45, that is the 1250 gram per 500 liter water per hectare at the interval of 15 to 20 days, 2 times. It control the rust disease of linseed. Then second disease, that is the wilt disease. It is majorly attacked during the seedling stage. So that symptoms are it is the fungus disease of linseed. The fungus growth is found in root cavity, so that the plant roots are injured and turn into black color. Roots are not developed properly, and it is developed, or it is looks like as a curling. The plants are generally withered and suddenly died. The dying plants are stunted, and from top to bottom plant leaves or stem is start to drying. It is known as a dead heart, and this process is done suddenly. So it is the important disease of linseed. Then the control measure: early sowing of linseed is done with mixed cropping. Give the seed treatment of Bavistine 1.5 gram per kg seeds. Grow the disease resistant varieties, and then the excess rainwater during the rainy season, it is immediately removed from the field or drain out from the field to control the wilt disease, and it also help to avoid the spreading of wilt disease fungus. So these are the different points of linseed. Linseed is also known as a flax. So students carefully study this oilseed crop for your exam. So thank you student. We meet in our next video, next topic.